welcome back on this new video tutorial. That's the second one about how to create your own NFT Generative Art Collection. By the way, the Generative Art Collection, that's a new way of creating a collection of NFT with script using random, and that's the one I've been used to make these really well-known NFT collections. So let's go directly to these so all the code is down here in my GitHub account. And this time we're going to use Streamlit, which is one of my favorite Python library to build up quickly web application. So it's mostly used for data science application, but right here I'm going to use it to easier the process of creating the NFT. So let's get there. So I'm here, and you see I'm also here, and so I have one of the sources. It's a new sources, and I'm going to create this type of NFT. Okay, so you have all the explanation. I'm just going to use directly simply the NFT. So basically we are in the correct directory. All the files, all the config information, especially the path to the directory of the source for the traits and the destination for the image. So the traits, that's exactly what is created here. I have given a quick definition. This is the essentials feature of the face that you're going to use to create your NFT. And then you have right here, every time you have in comment my own path, so you just have to create your own one. Okay, and then I'm launch Streamlit. So in this environment, NFT environment, I have had some of the, you see, you have all the requirement that I needed, especially Streamlit. Okay, and let's launch Streamlit. So it's going to launch in the browser the application, if you want to, yeah, and it's opening directly. And so I can go through quickly. So you have the source and the destination, then the number of NFT that you're going to define, then you click on submit and it will output in a new directory. So right, that's exactly the explanation that you got. So let's say be sure to have source like this. Okay, so I'm gonna copy and paste the root. Oh, I have it here. Okay, and then I'm gonna generate, let's say 7, and I'm gonna say, okay, I want 10, and yes, I want them different. And you see it's going to generate right here a bunch of, you have 10, okay, because it starts from 0. And then I can say, okay, let's use another trait, so you can refresh to clean up the formula. Okay, and this time, let's say for the next video I will be using this one. So I'm copying the root right here, and this time I'm going to say 8 and call them Picasso, for instance. Yeah. Okay, and this time I'm going to generate maybe, let's do, just to show you that the creation 60. And yes, I want. Okay, and let's get there. You see, yeah, right here. You see, is increasing, and you have. So there's maybe something wrong with my own NFT. Maybe I should change some stuff, but still, I have some random stuff. Okay, so that's the ID. I quit. Maybe there's a few elements that need to be improved, and then you can delete all the stuff. Okay, So what's next? We're gonna go through, so we've been looking for this one, and I'm gonna use this one and also these two. For our creation, my concern was to, you see, was to create specific traits. And this collection has been used, like I said in the first video, it has been used in a bigger project. This is the reason why you have this video. You see, this element right here has been used in a bigger project. The project was to present gallery, exhibition gallery in the Metaverse. Okay, so see you in a minute for the creation of two NFT with the two last generators. See you then. Bye-bye.